Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save text animation presets in After Effects. It's really simple and easy. Let's quickly enter the text first. Now expand the text properties and go to animate, and here select the scale property and scroll down and expand the range selector one property. Let's animate it. Here I'm doing some basic animation, scaling to 0. Now come to the first frame and add a keyframe on start value with 0% and come few forwards on the timeline and increase the value to 100%. So this is the animation that we have got. So now let's see how to save the animation preset. To do so, select the animated run property and go to animation. Click on save animation preset. Now we need to give the preset some name and then click on save to save the animation preset. Now if you go to this effects and preset, tap on this refresh list, and now we can find this animation preset in the F and preset panel. Search for it and you will get it, or else you can get it in animation preset drop down list. By saving the animation presets, the next time whenever you wanted to apply the same animation, you don't need to recreate it from the scratch. All you need to do is go to the effects and preset panel, just apply this animation preset and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to save text animation preset in After Effects. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.